And we pump those profits back into the profit cycle to generate even more profits. And I know what you're going to say. Profits? Yes, Stan. You're soaking in them.
Hey everybody, how's it going? It's your boy ExtrmWill, Extreme Tech. This isn't technically my review for today. This is how to use Mozilla Firefox and their web extension for Salad AI. So we're here in Mozilla. I'm just logged into Salad. And we're going to need to do, I'll leave the link for this down below in the description. You're going to need to add Salad's machine renamer from the Firefox store. You can Google it or click my link, whatever one you want to do. I don't really care. Then you would just add it right here. Right now it only gives me the option to remove it because I've already installed it. So it just takes like 2 seconds. And then it was giving me a bit of a problem because with the one I was using on Chrome, you click on it here and you access it through here. That's not how this one works. The only thing in here you might need to do is you might need to manage the extension, come in here to here, and come into permissions. You may need to allow it to access more data here. I don't remember if this is automatically clicked or not, but you may possibly need to do that. So click this link, download it, come into here, and then you rename them down here. So I had a bit of a problem with this because normally when I come in, the first thing I do is I select all, and in aggregate it doesn't work. So then you have to deselect all. And what I had to do actually was select all on this page, then go to the next page, deselect all, then select all on this page, come off of aggregate, go to individual, and then I could rename them all on this page. Click on the pen, gives you the option to change the name. Go to the next page, deselect all, select all on page, and then go through and manually rename them all. And now I've got all 3 pages named. Now you got to do the same stuff you did before. Go to the network, hit the back arrow, and I believe you just have to do it one time. And now you can see I have my new names, telling me how much they made, and it's all up in there listed. It's still in the same order it was in before, so it's still listed in the order of the actual machine IDs. They don't relist it by the name of what you changed them to. Otherwise, I would have an almost impossible time of trying to go through and do this and rename all of them. It would have been really hard if I kept changing the list as I was renaming them. So probably the only thing I think I don't like, I believe the one on Chrome does the, I want to say the one on Chrome does the exact same thing, where it keeps them in the same order. So it's not too bad. Looks like it works pretty well. I'm definitely going to try to be using the Firefox Pi from now on to monitor it because I think it looks a lot easier. Right now with Salad, is pretty much everything is in a job. You should be able to look through this really quickly and easily and figure out if all your machines are working correctly or not. For most of mine, the ones here that say they aren't earning, I did turn all those ones off. If you want to see what I'm actually doing with Salad, you can watch my actual review video that I think I did one. See how long I did it ago? That's not current. That says 41 minutes ago. That's not right. I released it 3 hours ago. I released one. I'll do another. Try to do a longer one. Another day or two before I actually leave to go on vacation while I'm still off. Try to break down what each machine is going through, what I'm doing on each machine, but some good information on that one on like electrical usage. So, but this was basically just to show how to use the Mozilla Firefox. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. I do think this is better than the Chrome Remote Desktop. That's what I was hearing from everyone. I can see already it does work better. So if we do, let's bring up the Chrome Remote Desktop here really quickly. On the Chrome Remote Desktop, you can see I have, even though they're all renamed, this page only has 2 showing the new names. This page has none showing the new names, and this page is also showing none showing the new names. So it's kind of frustrating because the Chrome one, it bounces back and forth between your machine IDs and what you renamed them all. So it's very frustrating. But I do definitely think this Mozilla Firefox one looks like it works a lot better. So if you are kind of looking at this and trying to figure out what you want to do, I would highly recommend switching over to Firefox. Now this is a little bit annoying now because I'm gonna have to use like 2 screens when I'm doing this because I don't think I can put Chrome Remote Desktop on Mozilla Firefox. So I mean, I do have 3 monitors, so it's not the end of the world for me. But I'll have to do my like while I'm doing this by myself, I'll have to use one screen to bring up Chrome Remote Desktop and another screen to have Mozilla Firefox on. But does look like it works a little better though, so I think it's pretty good. If you liked the video, like button, subscribe, come on back. I'll see you next time. Peace.